Hi everybody, welcome to Tam Predicts, and this is your love reading. This is for different elements of the zodiac: fire, air, water, and earth. So I'm going to start with fire. Let's start the reading. Do subscribe to my channel, Tam Predicts. Do see the other videos and do comment. I always read the comment. So guys, let's start the reading. These are channel messages. Whatever I can get, I'm going to give you alphabet. These are your love messages. What your loved one thinks, or if you're in a love situation, what will happen if you're single, if there is any message, or who will come into your life, any zodiac sign I can give you, or in anything, any alphabets I'm going to give you. Fire signs: Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Let's see, some kind of promise. You're gonna make some promise to somebody, or somebody's gonna make you a promise. I get after 2 months or 3 months, there's going to be a new relationship, or probably I also get that if you wanted a promise from another person, the person is not promising you the moon and the stars. It just started as a friendship, and I feel wait for the person. The person is going to promise you the moon, stars, and everything else, and all the other planets. But I think it will take time. The promises will come. So that's the first card for you guys. Let's see what's the second one. Fire signs: Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. The person sees you as someone who is strong mentally, and they come to you for all decisions, or when they're feeling weak, or when they're indecisive, or they see you as a mountain, something that is really somebody who's really strong mentally, somebody who doesn't break down, somebody who takes on the difficult situation very well, and your loved one turns to you whenever there is a problem, and that's how the loved one sees you, that you are a mountain of strength, and you will always solve whatever problem the person brings to you, and that's how your loved one sees you. Or if you're going to meet somebody, that person is going to be this way. Is going to be very strong. I get strong-headed also. That's a channel message, and yes, I am right now talking to Aries, Leo, Sagittarian, and I feel that you're going to uh, uh, deal with a Taurian. I don't know why I get that, but yeah, you're going to deal with a Taurian, and Taurus is a Earth sign. So fire sign, if you're going to deal with a Taurian, you are going to think about the person, that the person is as strong as the mountains are. Communication. You need some communication. There will be some communication. It's not going to, I get this card like, if you're waiting for a piece of communication from your loved one, it will come. Naturally, it's not going to come through the birds or the pigeons like it used to. But I feel you looking at the sky and you're waiting for some kind of a communication between, or you've not, the person has not spoken to you, or you're waiting for a message. I get a lot of WhatsApp message that the person is going to call you, and you're waiting for a WhatsApp or some kind of a message, a hint that yeah, the person is thinking about you, and you're just getting all dreamy about thinking about the person, whoever it is. I also feel that you are dealing with an air sign. This is about an air sign, fire sign. If you're dealing about an air sign, that's how you feel. Let's see what are the other messages. Something is going to come quick as lightning, or some kind of a message that's probably going to come quick. So the card I picked up before was, you waiting for some kind of a message. I think that message is going to come quick to you, and will be a good message. Will be a powerful message. It will change a lot in your world. Probably it's a commitment coming your way, or promises coming your way. Something is going to change your world in a good way. That's what I get. So some powerful, impactful message, something you wanted always to hear. Probably you're going to hear "I love you" from the person. I don't know why I get that. Yes, but that's kind of a channel message that the message will come. I got will come soon, but this one is reverse. So for few of you, or some of you, like I always say, might or might not resonate, because a lot of you would be seeing this. For you, the news of your loved one, if you were waiting to hear from your loved one, it will take some time to come. It is coming your way. It is gotten into some kind of a momentum, or your relationship has gone into some kind of a momentum, and the person is going to acknowledge that. I get a card of acknowledgement. If you've been wanting to hear from the other person, that what the other person thinks about you or the relationship, or has feelings or whatever, so that's going to come to you pretty soon. It's gained momentum. So don't worry, your phone is going to ring, or that WhatsApp tone that you have will you'll hear that tone very soon. So let's see fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarian. What are the other messages for you guys? Right. I didn't want to take that. I don't know why. Uh, if you thought that nothing can be done more in a particular situation, I think that's wrong, that's incorrect. You can still do adjustments or rescue whatever. If your situation is not right, if your relationship is not right, I think you can make adjustments and you can still rescue it, guys. That's the feeling that I get. Something will come out of the situation. Or if you're, really dedicated and committed and you really want the other person back, the person will come back to you. Your commitment is being tested, and if you think that your work is done over here or there's nothing you to have to do with each other, I think that's not right. The person will come back into your life. So anybody who walked away, I get a fire sign, I get another earth sign. I think the person will come back to you. Your story hasn't ended with that person. I still get that. You wanted to release that person. See, it came reversed. So you did not release the person, or the person did not release you. The person came back to you, and things, things between you are not finished. Probably things are going to restart. There's something the person wants to tell you and will come back to you. And you want to release the person, but it gets very difficult. Even the other person is very attached to you. It will not be easy for the other person to leave you. So you'll keep coming back to each other. So this is for fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarian, whoever you're dealing with. Sagittarius, that the other person will keep coming back to you, or you will keep going back to the other person, and you really don't want to end things right now. Now I'm going to change the card. I'm going to take one more card and take a different card. Your hard work is paying off. And if it's come reversed, it means that more hard work is needed in the love situation. It is not enough right now. Whatever is happening, whatever you're mending, if there is a problem in the relationship and you thought that I did this much, I will not put any more effort. And why doesn't the other person put as much effort in as I am? Yeah, nothing will happen. You will have to put more effort, guys. And the moment you put more effort, the moment you tell the person how dedicated or how serious you are about the situation or the relationship, the person is going to come back to you. That's why the release card did not come reversed. So things have not ended between you two. It's not the end. There are more chapters to this story, your love story. Let me see what are the love messages after the love cards. The most important cards in the love reading. I'm going to give you alphabets also. I've kept the alphabets. Which alphabets are important for you? If you want to meet that person with, those alphabets might be good for you. But guys, these are all channel messages. These are guided messages. Always in the end, do what you think is right. Because you are the best judge of your situation, guys. And for some of you, respect is missing in the relationship. You don't respect the other person, or the other person doesn't respect you. I feel it's a fire sign also. I think you're dealing with a fire sign and the person doesn't see your point of view. That's the channel message I got. You probably value the other person. I feel if I'm talking to one of you, or whoever is resonating with this reading, I feel the respect is missing, and that's what you really want in the relationship. Or probably that's why you released the person and you wanted to explain to the person that you said these things to me, and that shows that you don't respect me. If you're in a relationship, these are the boundaries. This is what respect I need, or I respect you. So there is something to do with respect that is missing, guys. Let me see one more message. What is the other message? What is the other love prediction? For fire sign, Past. Still holding on to the past, or you've from somebody from the past has come back for a lot of you, or you have to release somebody in your life. Like I said, walking away, walking back into the person's life. You're walking away, then you're walking back. You've been doing this, but right now I think it is very important for you to release the past. It is for some of you. You know your situation the best, guys. Some of you are just hanging on there by a thread, and nothing is happening in the situation. You've got to release your past. You have probably the first card that I got, strength. Now that I'm going back to it, you have to have the strength to release that person. That's why if you don't have the strength and you feel weak in the situation, you'll keep going back to the person, and the same problem will be happening, that the person probably doesn't respect you. So remember that, guys. This reading, the strength card could fit in this whole situation in that way pretty much. because this is a general reading. Different cards sit in a situation in different ways, or they make a story in different ways. So also the strength I got is, you have to have the strength, and you have to leave the person if the person doesn't respect you. There is no use of being in the relationship, guys. Responsibility. The person is not taking responsibility, or you think it's your responsibility to run the relationship. That's not right. Every relationship is give and take. I don't know, some of you are feeling that, I have to put in more. Probably the person is, the other person is like that, is not very emotional, or will not put as much effort as I am doing it. But whatever you're doing is actually making you lose your respect, and that's what you don't like. You've given so much to the other person that the person doesn't even respond, or doesn't feel responsible for showing, some kind of emotions or any responsibility in the love situation, guys. So if I'm talking to one of you, two of you, you know it. Just make your decision. Like, in the end, I'll always say it is your decision to stay in the relationship or not. But guys, do make the perfect for the perfect relationship. Do take the perfect decision. Probably that's the channel message that I wanted to say. So guys, sorry, I was reaching out for the alphabets. I want to do one more crystal message. Let's see what that says. I want to do one more crystal message. Self-confidence through God confidence. So you don't have the confidence. It's come reversed, guys. You don't have the confidence in yourself. You don't see your self-worth. You don't value yourself. Probably that's why you're losing respect. You're losing respect. In your own eyes, you falling down because you're going back to the person, and no matter how many times you go back to the person and you say this is the last time, but you're still doing that. I'm saying this again and again because this is a very strong message that I'm getting again and again. I think I'm probably dealing with one person or two people, but this is your situation right now. You not been able to make the move because you think, if I leave this guy or if I leave this girl, nobody's going to love me as much as this person does, or will I be able to find another person who I will fall in love with. Maybe nobody will fall in love with me. I'm not fine. So this whole relationship has made you feel like this. So guys, you know when to cut the cord, or you know what to do in this situation. If it's chaining you, it's not good. You know it best, guys. So that's the message I'm getting. Now I'm going to take the alphabets out. Let's see what alphabets are good for you if you're dealing with this person or that, or the person from this alphabet. Whatever I'm going to take out might enter your life. The first one. I. I is important for you. A is important for you. C is important for you. G is important for you. And so is T. T is also important for you, guys. So those were the alphabets that are important for you. You might meet that person starting from that alphabet, or whatever combinations, combinations, or probably you meet the person in that place, or you meet online, with that person if it's a new love or whatever. So guys, you have to see it. You're the best judge of your situation. So those were the messages. Number 14, number 28, and 9 are important for you. Those are just the channel messages that I got. So fire signs, thank you so much. I hope you like your love reading. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do leave a comment. I always read a comment and I always like it. So thank you so much, guys. I'm going to see you again. Bye. Thanks.